opening bell this Monday morning, and we've started off with about almost 90 odd points of an uptick. 25,660 is where we're currently at. Although it's languishing a little bit for the Nifty Bank, and I'm guessing it's thanks to AU as well as IDFC. Let's bring up those stocks for you, because I guess in the Nifty Bank they must be singled out completely, and that's where you must be seeing the sharpest reactions. There you go, 10% lower for IDFC first. That's the first tick, and 5% lower for AUSFB, and still sliding lower as we speak right now in trade. So those, of course, are a bunch of newsmakers in trade. Now let's bring up what's really happening with the Nifty IT pack and whether or not it continues to languish in trade, as was the case all through last week. Let's bring up the Nifty IT pack for you, Infosys, Wipro, TCS and the likes, and whether they're still in the red or not. There's also WeWork, which has now entered into a lease deed for capacity addition in Bangalore. NCC, the debarment order in abeyance until March 10th. So whether that's any sort of reprieve after that big slash in NCC on Friday, just mildly so as we speak right now. NHPC, of course, has got a approval for total investment of about 5,700 odd crore rupees. And the Godrej Properties, which is looking to develop 18 crore acres in Thane in the Maharashtra region. So look out for what that stock as well is going to be doing in trade as we speak right now. Other than that, of course, there are other names like a UPL, which is looking to consolidate its Indian and international crop protection business into a single entity. We were chatting with the management, 7.5% lower for UPL as we speak. Railtel, Ashoka, Buildcon together have received an LOI from the Maharashtra government for a 5-year contract, which equates to about 1,136 odd crore rupees. And then there is Prestige Estates as well, which has also signed an agreement with BMRCL. So look out for what that stock as well is going to be doing in trade, as would eMudra. They've expanded their global footprint into now Central Asia, and they're opening a regional hub in Almaty in Kazakhstan. So look out for what that stock as well is going to be doing. Cipla, the US FDA has designated its manufacturing facility of supply partner as an OAI. Cipla is down about 1.25%. And then, of course, IDFC First, that continues to languish, hasn't seen any improvement whatsoever after that opening bell as well. It's still languishing in trade. But Harsh, what about the textile plays after that flip-flop in tariffs, or for that matter, even seafood or auto hangs?
Yeah, let's pull those names up. Gokaldas Exports perked up 1%. Pearl Global, let's pull up a PDS as well. Wellspun Living, Trident. Let's pull up that entire pack. There you go. So clear buzz on all of those counters. Really, the other one which is standing out and standing out sharply lower is a UPL. On the back of that restructuring announced, the stock is down 6.5%. Okay, 8% now lower on UPL. And falling fast. Even brokerages seem unenthused by this, at least no target price hikes. In fact, there have been downgrades with regard to the kind of value unlocking proposition that has been presented. 8% lower. That's a large reaction on that counter. Solar Industries is the other one which was in focus, and let's pull up the defense pack and see what that entire pack is doing, in fact. And when we're looking at it, then HAL is down 1.3%. Solar Industries is up around 1.5%. BEL is up around 0.5% thereabouts. So that's really the tilt. In terms of sectors, I'll just quickly pull out the sectoral heat map if we can. And within that, metals is standing out, 0.8% higher. The Nifty PSU Bank again having a solid day. 0.7% higher. Mind you, the Nifty PSU Bank has rallied 5% all through last week. So it's just building on the kind of gains that we've seen. A very, very strong move again today. And IT is the only one which is likely, if I can call it, sulking in trade. At least in the early minutes to start this day as well as this week off. Kunal, your first thoughts?
Yeah, I think it's an okay start for the index, of course, with the kind of effect which you've seen from